Hi guys, Bobby D here. I'm going to show you today how I made $6,000 on Fiverr. Me personally, I made $6,000 on Fiverr, and I'm going to show you how I done that, and I'm going to show you a super quick hack that you can use that will halve your time in doing this and make you a full-time passive income. Okay, now everyone's heard of Fiverr. And it's a really good platform if you know what you're doing. All right, it can be a bit of a minefield if you don't know what you're doing. And there's a way of doing it right, and there's a way of doing it really quick. And I can show you both of those things as you carry on watching the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you a number of things today, guys. I'm going to show you the Fiverr website. I'm going to show you my personal account live, and you'll see how much money I've made. I'll show you where I go to get all my work done. I outsource virtually everything. I'll show you about thumbnails, how to do that, and then I'm going to show you how you can double and triple this all up and turn this into a really, really good second income. Okay. Now, before I go on to all that, guys, can you do me a massive favor, please? Just hit the subscribe button here, hit the bell for me. It's all down there. That way you get to see my videos first, you get to see my latest offers first, and you get to make money first. So I'd really, really appreciate it. And if you look below the comments, there's a little section that says, get my free training. Hit that, guys, and you get some free training. 7 videos I've put together to help you make some money in affiliate marketing. So that's it. Let's get on with it. How I made $6,000 on Fiverr coming up. So guys, this is the Fiverr marketplace. Everyone knows what it is. It's been around for a long, long time. And you can still make a hell of a lot of money using Fiverr. So before we go on, let me just show you something. Let me jump into that. I think it's dashboard, I can't remember. Earnings, there we go. So these are my Fiverr earnings. This is live, guys, straight into my account. $6,436. Sorry, $6,273. All right, that's a lot of money. Okay, we go back to analytics. We can look at go back to dashboard. We can go to analytics. 959 orders. They average at £7.30. Okay. That is a serious amount of money. Bear in mind, I don't make any of these gigs myself. All right. And if we go down here, these are all my ratings, and these are all the countries that I've sold to. 29% of the world I've sold a gig to. Indonesia, Australia, Russia, Sweden, Brazil, Ecuador, Argentina, Nicaragua, unbelievable, Mexico, Canada, all over I have sold my gigs, and you can do it too. And the best bit is I don't do any of them. I outsourced a lot, and I'll show you how. So let's zip back to Fiverr. In fact, it's easier if I log back in actually. So this is Fiverr. For those of you who haven't seen it, you probably have. Basically, it's a forum for buying and selling gigs, they're called. And there is a huge demand, all right? Just looking at this front page here, this guy will make you a logo. He charges £4.22. He's done 90. This guy does a signature, 352. This guy's done a YouTube intro and outro. He's done 1,000. Serious money to be made here, guys. And it's actually really easy, some of these gigs to do, okay? So some of the gigs that I used to do was backlink services and SEO, and I'll show you a quick way of doing this. So this guy's here. So let's find someone who's done a lot. Let's do best-selling. So these are the best-selling gigs on here. So this guy's done 1,000, 1,000, 1,040. So I will do 85 unique domain SEO backlinks for you, all right? So there's a bit of a mix what it's all about. Now the basic gig's £4.22, standard is 25, and a premium is £59. He has done 1,000 of these guys. I mean, serious money these people are making. Now you're thinking straight away, I don't know how to get 85 high authority powerful links, nor do I, but I know somebody who does. So what you do is you go to this marketplace over here. Now, this is a marketplace where people, again, sell gigs, but you can buy these and then resell them on, okay? So cut and paste that, and we'll see if someone's doing it over here. Sometimes they don't, sometimes they do, but you'll get something similar. So that is doing a search now. It's actually not doing a search. Something do. There it goes. So this guy here, build 85 unique links. That is it. That is exactly the same gig that this guy is selling here. He's even copied the thumbnail. Okay. Now he's selling it for a £5. Obviously we can't do that because you're selling it for a £5. But what you go is you go down. So this guy here is doing it for $3. So what I would do, sometimes you find them on here for $1 or $2. I would just email these people and say, look, I know you're doing it for $3, but I'm going to be doing this on Fiverr. I'm going to be really hitting it hard. Can you do it for $2? 9 times out of 10, they're going to say yes. Okay. And all you would do is advertise this on Fiverr, get an order. You then go to SEO, order it, and then give them the results, email them the results back to the Fiverr seller. That is it. You're doing no work. It will take you 60 seconds, all right? Now, on that one there, you're only going to make, what, $1.50 plus a Fiverr fee. But $1.50 for, what, 60 seconds work? It's not bad. You do 10 a day, $15. You know, you start building it up. That guy's doing 1,000, and he's doing none of the work. He's just outsourcing it to these people. It's insane. So there's tons of gigs on there that you could do. Let's have a look at another one. 50 high metrics backlinks. Let's just cut and paste that into there. We go back to SEO clerks. Doff that in there. Give it a minute to think about it. It's actually a bit slow today. Here we go. Again, there's one there for $3. You just got to go through it. $1. So he does 5 links. See that? I would go straight for this one, guys. He's doing 5 links for $1, right? You can basically cut and paste all this, change it around a little bit, and put it straight into your Fiverr gig. But here you would do 5. You're knocking it out for $4.22. You're paying him $1 and a little bit for a fee. You're going to make $3 per sale. Can you see where I'm going with this? Big money to be made using Fiverr and SEO Clerk. So this is the site here, SEOclerks.com. All right. There's a link below for it in the subscription. Just click that link and it will take you straight to the comment section. So now let me show you another program that can absolutely speed. So guys, this is actually my program. It's called Fiverrlicious. And I put this together. I've sold over 2,000 copies of this, and I'm doing it on a special offer today. And I will show you how I made over $6,000 on Fiverr. Now I'm doing it today for $9.97. It's normally $17. So if you're going to get it today. And I show you everything I do from the beginning, how to set your gigs up, what you need to write in it, where to get them from, how to sell them, how to get to the different Fiverr levels. I will show you everything you need to do. Okay. There are a ton of videos, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 8 videos I've put together. There might be some more than that. And I will show you exactly what you need to do to make money, how you can buy things for $1 and sell them for $5, or you can sell them for $20 or $25. It's super easy. There is tons of feedback on this website. Simple thing is, it works. It's my best-selling product I've ever done. All right, ever. It's absolutely brilliant, and you need to jump on board of this. All right. It's $9.97. It's absolutely, I'm giving it away. I'm normally do it for $17, and this is a true passive income. If you're looking to make a real income online, this is it. This is not just a quick win. This is a real business in a box, guys. And if you follow my training, you can make some serious money like I did. Okay. I've made serious money. I've shown you my live account. you can do it again. You can see exactly what I've done. You saw the amount of money I earned. Let's go into it here. So I'm clicking the wrong thing. Earnings. You know, that is my current earnings, $6,436. You can do that too, guys. It's easy. All right. Follow my training and you can do it. The links are all below. Get it while you can before I put the price up. So that's it, guys. I'm Bobby D. That's how you can make money on Fiverr. Please leave a comment below. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell. I appreciate it. Well done. Well done for watching. I'll speak to you later.